Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Facebook, turn off encryption on Facebook. So first, you just have to launch your messenger, make sure that you're using the latest version, go to your settings, scroll down, and then look for privacy and safety. Now what you're going to do here is you have to click this end-to-end encrypted chats, security alerts, and then logins. Now, what you're going to do is you have to log out all the logins here. In order for you to do that, just tap and then click log out. So you have to do it one by one. After you're done logging out your location or logins here, what you're going to do is you have to go back. And at this time, in order for you to turn off encrypted chats, you need to create a group chat. And what you're going to do here is you have to add your other account, or let's just say a friend, and you have to add the main person that you want to have a conversation with. So let's just say here I have added my friend, I mean the one I wanted to have a conversation with, and also my other account. So let's just say my main focus here or target here is to have a conversation with Ashanti, but I have added my other account, which is Infinity. So this is what it looks like. And now I can rename or create a name for this group, Infinity. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to remove Infinity here on our group chat because I just want to have a conversation with Ashanti. To do that, I have to click this icon right here, go to members or see members, tap that specific account that you want to remove, and then remove from group chat. Go back and I can have my conversation with my friend here in this way, or this is just the best way on how to remove end-to-end encryption in Facebook. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.